Anya, and today I'll be showing you this explosion box which is made by me. I have recreated this from love for crafts. I also created a biography. She's a fabulous crafter and she inspires me a lot, so I recreated this and I'll be uploading the tutorial very soon as I'm busy in my exams. So this explosion box is like this from all the sides. I've stick pattern paper from Eno Greeting. And then we open it like this. So here comes the beautiful explosion box. So as you guys can see, here I have put different pattern papers, and here 3 hearts, and here a jute string on which it is written I love you. Then here's a paper cake, and again some pattern hearts. Then here's one card. It's an envelope, love envelope, which you can stick a photo or write something. And then here's a heart, and here we have this flower pop-up card, heart flower pop-up card, which is very pretty. And we'll be putting it inside like this. Then on this pocket I have sticked again pattern paper and some patterned hearts. So overall the explosion box looks like this. And I hope you guys will like it. So do like, subscribe and share and comment how was the video. I'm waiting for your comments. Bye guys, meet you in my next video.